Hi, everyone, and welcome back to our values series. Today's value is courage. And to bring it to life, I want to share the story of a man who changed the face of sports forever, Jackie Robinson. Jackie Robinson was a remarkably fast runner, even as a child. But he didn't have much time to play. His family was poor, and he worked after school running a newspaper delivery route and sold hot dogs at the local stadium. One night, after selling hot dogs at the stadium and watching the players at the game, Jackie asked his mom, "Mom, why are there no black players on the baseball field?" She told him the hard truth. They weren't allowed. Jackie thought it was unfair, but his mother reminded him, there's a difference between being brave and having courage. Bravery is standing up in the moment. Courage is choosing the harder, longer path to do what's right. Jackie didn't fully understand then, but he would. His mother then gave him a homemade baseball made of rags and socks. Jackie treasured that baseball and practiced with it every day. He hit it so hard it finally fell apart. And then it became his new imaginary friend called, ironically, Rags. And Rags encouraged him to stay out of trouble, to stay in school, and to focus on sports. That took courage. At a time when gangs pulled in kids his age, Jackie Robinson resisted. Instead, he continued to practice sports, studied hard, and went to UCLA, becoming the first black student to win varsity letters in baseball, basketball, football, and track, all in the same year. And most of you know the rest of the story. Jackie married, served in the military, and was signed by Branch Rickey, the vice president of the Brooklyn Dodgers, who believed talent, not the skin color, should decide who plays. Jackie played 10 years with the Dodgers, leading them to 6 National League titles and their first World Series win in 1955. But what most people don't realize is the courage behind those wins. Jackie endured cruelty, slurs, even physical attacks from other players. Once he was punched right in the face simply for being a black man on the field. Bravery for Jackie would have been hitting the guy back, but courage was walking away. And he did that for the sake of every black athlete who would come after him. Jackie knew he carried their future on his shoulders. That's courage. Choosing restraint when everything in you wants to just fight back. Jackie's story makes me reflect on courage in my own journey. Starting another cleaning service at my age takes courage. Of course, more courage because there are people who doubt me. Maybe even expect me to fail. Working with developers to bring Clean Smart Academy forward to owners who don't even yet realize the importance and impact of animated online processes, and then putting it together with an editable manual. That takes courage. Spending that much money and giving that kind of time to something that you're not sure what's going to happen. Some people have told me it's a paradigm shift that simply can't be done. Not in my lifetime. I'm just going to live a long time. And yes, picking up the phone, asking people to take a look at Clean Smart Academy or Clean Smart Home Cleaning, it feels vulnerable, almost like I'm starting all over again. I was so glad when I didn't have to do that, and here I am. But if I don't do it, if I don't find that courage to pick up that phone and listen to those no's, then the dream dies. The truth is, I don't always feel courageous. But looking back, I must have had some courage at the right times, because that's obviously what kept me going through the ups and downs, through rejection, through starting over again when it would have been so much easier to quit. So here's the takeaway. Courage isn't about loud bravery in the moment, which we're seeing a lot of. It's about steady strength in the face of doubt, criticism, or even cruelty. And people are cruel. Jackie Robinson had it. And maybe if I've come this far, maybe I've had it too, even when I didn't recognize it. And so do you. Whatever your dream is, courage will carry you when bravery alone isn't enough. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time in our Values series when I cover the value of foresight, picturing the long-term potential in a low moment. Until then, dig deep and find your courage.
In 1984, Sharon's daughter received a collection of value tale books, stories of real historical heroes whose lives showed the power of values. Today, Sharon is passing them on to her grandson and to us. In this series, she revisits 28 essential values through the lens of these timeless stories, and through her own journey as a business owner. Because the values that shape great lives are the same values that determine success or failure in business. This is the Values series.